Hello, my name is Karina. I've been living in the area of Bavaro, Punta Cana since 2008. I've been working as a resorts representative and visited practically every hotel in Bavaro, so I've become an expert on accommodations and leisure activities in the Dominican Republic. In my vlog, you'll find reviews of many Punta Cana resorts along with helpful videos about the vacation in the Dominican Republic. My company offers several services. First, we've got a free guide to Dominican Republic's resorts with brief descriptions of each hotel in Punta Cana, along with our personal recommendations. Second, our unique product, a pack of 3 guides and a 7% discount to our tours priced at just $7.99. These guides have all the essential information for your vacation in the Dominican Republic, helping you avoid typical tourist mistakes and save money. Check my next video for more details. Also, we offer high-quality excursions at the best prices. We work directly with official tour operators to ensure your safety and peace of mind. And here's the best part. You don't have to make a prepayment. You pay in the bus. That's right. It's absolutely risk-free. And the last, but not the least, our personalized consultation at just $30 for those who need help choosing the perfect resort or planning the trip. Just message me to my WhatsApp and I will be happy to assist. I wish you a fantastic vacation.